Are you having a hard time making money online? You might be doing a lot of money making methods out there, but for some reason, none of them are working out the way they're supposed to work out for you. Maybe it's too hard, or maybe it's because of where you're from, or maybe you just really don't know how and where to start. Now, we're going to teach you how you can make $100 to $300 a day because we know that's the dream of most people, especially beginners. Now, imagine having that amount of money in your hands. You can accomplish anything. You can support your family and your loved ones. You can go on a vacation and travel the world. You can buy a new house, a new car, the latest iPhone, and even the latest laptop. Literally, quit your 9 to 5 job. These are all the things that we want you to expect once you've finished this entire video. Aside from the $100 to $300 earlier, we're going to teach you how you can make an extra $500 to $1,000 with absolutely no work. Just passive income that's not going to require you any skills or experience or even cash to start. Get ready for today's method because we don't think you're ready for this. Make sure that you watch this entire video until the very last second of it to know everything that you need to know and to come out successful with today's method. Hey y'all, it's Digital Money Queen here. If it's your first time on this channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. And if it's not your first time, then welcome back. I'm so happy to see you again. If you aren't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of the family and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time I have a new video up and ready for you. Don't forget to like this video and let's jump right into it. The first website that we're going to be talking about is called Redbubble.com. Now don't worry because this method is so much more simpler than you think it is. And you're actually going to be surprised at how easy today's method is going to be. Now Redbubble is basically a website that allows you to sell different designs like the ones that you're seeing right now. Now once you sell designs on this website, it's going to help you automatically print out your designs through clothing, stickers, phone cases, wall art, accessories, stationery, and so on and so forth. The great thing about today's method is, as we've mentioned earlier, you don't need any skills whatsoever. You won't even be creating any of your own designs, which means you'll literally be doing no work at all. Now let's quickly take a look at some examples of stickers with designs right here. As you can see, people are selling their sticker designs here for $1. And if you look at the phone case designs, people are able to sell about $30 per phone case too, which is insane. There's just a ton of categories on Redbubble where you can sell different things and just keep earning and earning money. So obviously, first of all, you want to sign up, and to do that, just click on this sign up button right here. Then, make sure that you select to sign up as an artist since we are here to sell. Then, fill up all the details accordingly and boom, you should find yourself in your Redbubble account. It's as easy as that. To the newcomers, where are y'all from? I would love to know. Comment it down below so that I can use it as reference for my future videos as well. Now, let's continue. Now, once you're in your account, we want you to click on My Account right here. And then look for the button that says Sell Your Art and click on that. Then, you're going to be brought right here to the dashboard of your Redbubble account. Now, there are some things that you can actually do as an absolute beginner. First thing that you can do is that you can create products. You upload your art and choose products. Second thing you can do is to set up shop. You can customize your shop so it's more memorable and engaging. And the third thing, you can get paid. Once you confirm your account and payment details, you're basically ready to open your shop and immediately start selling. You can choose to get paid through crypto, bank transfer, and even PayPal. So there's no problem with the payment methods because Whatever works for you, Redbubble will accommodate to you. Now leave a comment down below what your preferred payment method is or what payment methods does your country have so that we can use it for a future video. Now focus on create products, which was the first thing we talked about. Then proceed to click on add designs, and then that's going to take you to this page where you can actually add your new work. From there, you can either choose to upload new work or copy an existing work. Now, since we're on a brand new account, we're obviously going to choose to upload a brand new work. So you basically just click this button right here to upload a design, and as you can see, it's uploading, and it's there, and that's the design. Now, this is just a design for our example. Now, you might be wondering, how in the world are we going to create our own design? We don't have the skills or the creativity. We'll say less because we're now moving on to the part that's going to get those designs going for you, and you're not even going to lift a finger to do so. Now, we want you to go on Snappa.com, and basically on this website, you can have graphic designs made for you in a Snappa. It's very simple and easy, and this website also has a lot of ready-made templates for you that you can choose from, and this website is also 100% free to use. You just need to click on Get Started for free. Now, once you're inside your account, you're going to finally be able to create different designs in a snappa of a finger. Literally. You can choose to make social media template posts on all, but then you'll realize that none of the ready-made templates here are made for what we need on Redbubble. And this is the part where you must pay super close attention to. Now, right here, under custom graphic size, we want you to input 2200 as the width and 2200 as the height as well. Then you're going to click on create. And then boom, that is going to take you to this dashboard where you can finally create your own design. You can change the background, you can add effects, some text, graphics, and even shapes. There's so many things on here that makes things 100 times simpler for you. So the first thing you can do is click on graphics, and then you can basically choose anything and adjust the icon to your liking. So that's what we have here now. Then you can add a text by clicking text, choose to add a heading, and then you can just type whatever you want. Like, for example, we can do human's best friend or whatever you like. Anyway, once you've completed your design, you can just click on this button right here to download the design straight into the device that you're using. Then you can finally upload that on Redbubble. Before submitting though, you're just going to need to fill up some basic information about the design that you've created. So you're going to create a title, right? And then you're going to add some tags, and then you're going to add a description. And what you're seeing right now is just an example. If you scroll down, you're going to get a preview of your design on different products like clothing, stickers, phone cases, even pillows, mugs, literally anything and everything. And people will surely love this very much. Anyway, once you're satisfied with the preview, just scroll down below. Then you're going to have to choose the media, and you can only select up to 2. So choose design and illustration and digital art. Then scroll down some more, and then you'll see the default product in your shop option. Make sure that it's in optimize recommended. Make sure that it is in that option, and make sure that it's open to the public or else it won't be seen. Now make sure that you select no on the is this mature contenting, and once that's all complete, agree to the terms and conditions, and boom, save your work by clicking on the button right there. They'll say congratulations, you're almost ready to sell. As soon as they save your work, then you just complete the payment details like so, and this is a very important step or else you won't be able to purchase from you. And that's basically it for Redbubble.com. If you're liking this video so far, then I suggest that you give me 2 thumbs up before the channel ends later on so that I'll know you reached this part of the video. And subscribe if you still aren't subscribed to join the family. Let's get back into the video. Now we're going to show you how you can maximize your income and how you can get a lot of people to buy your product. so you can make up to $1,000 bonus. Now, go on Parler.com, and basically this website works just like Facebook. But obviously, not a lot of people know about this website, so there is no competition whatsoever. So you can go on here, target the animal lovers for your design, and expect a great number of people wanting to come and buy your designs on absolutely anything. So to join this website, just click on Create New Account, then click on I agree, then fill up all of the details being asked of you, and then once you've completed all of that, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. Very similar to Facebook, where you can basically create posts. Now you can actually look up dog, and there are so many trending dog hashtags on here, and that's what we're going to use to be able to lure in customers. So just create a post on Parler, insert your link with the hashtag dogs, do as much posts as you can with as much hashtags, and before you know it, your sale is going to skyrocket like you've never seen before. And that is everything for today's method. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you enjoyed today's video because I definitely enjoyed discovering and creating it. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel before clicking off, because my next video is going to be awesome and you wouldn't want to miss that. Please give me 2 thumbs up to show me your love and hit the bell button so that you'll be kept up to date. Love y'all. See you in the next one.